Hi everyone, I'm Meg, the senior site merchant here at Lovely Skin, and I am so excited to unbox the Marini Reboot PDRN Face Serum. This is the latest product from Marini SkinSolutions, which you might know as Jan Marini Skin Research. It's the perfect way to celebrate the newly refreshed brand look and feel. Marini Reboot features concentrated salmon-derived PDRN, that's polydeoxyribonucleotide, or salmon DNA. This regenerative technology contains highly purified DNA fragments that help support skin's natural repair process. Studies show PDRN works at a cellular level to support collagen production and help skin heal. So whether your skin is aging, stress from sun exposure, or aesthetic treatments, PDRN helps it recover and regenerate. It absorbs beautifully into the skin. It has a very pleasant citrus smell. I could see this working really well in anyone's skin routine. But this formula doesn't stop at just PDRN. It uses advanced technologies that work in 4 key areas: smoothing the appearance of fine lines, delivering multi-layered, long-lasting hydration, strengthening your skin barrier, and calming visible redness. This is prejuvenation, rejuvenation, and regeneration working together to support healthy skin function and repair. This is truly a first-of-its-kind product. I love how it complements everything from retinoids to peptides without replacing them. No matter what your skincare routine is, this serum is going to help improve recovery and resilience. If you're ready to try it, Marini Reboot PDRN Face Serum is available now at lovelyskin.com. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks!